Hazel.
Ay, bakit kayo yung nagtapat dalawa?
Oo nga
Bakit kayo?
nga?
Sila yung dalawa sa pinakamalalakas sa mga finalists eh. So, mahirap. Pero ang ganda nung pagkaka-deliver nyo. Ang ganda nung, well, trio kayo, no? Pero yung kayong dalawa, ang sarap-sarap pakinggan. So, totoo yun eh. Minsan ang hahanapin nyo kung sino yung parang, oops, may parang dumulas ng konti, ganyan. But, terrific. Ang husay-husay nyo. Congratulations to you both.
I'm sure it was very difficult to find fault in these two, di ba? Maraming salamat sa ating mga judges at Gabarkads. Boto na, text na.
Mamaya malalaman natin kung sino kina Donna and Alisa ang pasok sa qualifying round sa Sabado.
Susunod na, Kalye Serena sa pagbabalik ng Eat Bulaga!
The battle of the most talented singers in the country continues.
Time to grow up, to see through, right to the heart.
Who among the remaining elite circle of winners will advance to the grand finals? Voice coach of Debuban, Ruler Robosa.
Di na sana lalapit-lapit pa.
Raise your sounds as they face another surprise challenge. Because this is not just about singing. It's
Okay. Eto na. Ay! Oo.
Malalaman na natin.
Yan.
Ang panalo sa semi-finals and Just Do It. Gabarkads!
Alam niya natin kung sino ang panalo. Would it be number 1, Donna Medina? Number 2, Alisa Banaobra.
And the winner. Good luck to the both of you. It was a tough choice, but our Just Do It winner is... Donna Medina! From May Kawayan, Bulacan.
Congratulations! Panalo ka ng 30,000 pesos at pasok ka na sa qualifying round.
Bukas alamin natin kung sino ang maghaharap sa Just Do It!